All right, so today we're gonna be unboxing the Beats Studio Buds by Beats by Dre. So these earbuds are compatible with Apple and Android devices. They support spatial audio. They also have active noise canceling with listening times up to 8 hours. You can also download the Beats app on your mobile device, so that way you'll have more control over your studio buds, be able to check device status, do firmware updates, and a lot more through the mobile app. So let's go ahead and open these up so that way we can get our eyes on these earbuds. So as you know, Beats always has some really clean packaging. This comes in a traditional black and red. As soon as we open it up, we have the USB charging cable. We also have some additional tips for the earpieces, so that way you make sure you get a good fit. Then we have the instruction manual as well as a free offer to try Apple Music right here inside of the box. And here is how your Beats charging case is gonna come. So this is in a matte red, it's nice and bright. It has the Beats branding right here on the front, and it also has a small LED indicator. As soon as you open it up, you can see your earbuds has the Beats branding right here on the top. And these are not very big, which is gonna be perfect for your ears, so you don't have some big funky earbuds inside of your ear. This is a matte red and then a red gloss with the Beats logo. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these to my device and then play a little bit of music so I can give you my honest feedback on the quality of these earbuds. All right, so as always, these sound amazing. The bass is there, they're nice and snug in your ear, and the sound quality is crystal clear. If you're looking for some earbuds with good bass in them, these are definitely a pair that you might wanna check out. So there you go, the Beats Studio Buds by Beats by Dre. Hopefully this video helped you out with making your purchase, and I will see you on the next one.